My name is Sibara Diaho. I'm the facility manager for solar hydro generation at Ramarothole power station on behalf of LECO, Lesotho Electricity Generation Company. The project has started with phase 1, that is 30 megawatts. From 30 megawatts, there will be phase 2. We will have additional of 40 megawatts of solar power. And the project is composed of about 3 components. That's the generation plant, upgrading of Ramarothole substation. Then we have build-up of new power line from Ramarothole to Mazinot. So Lesotho Electricity Company is the one responsible for transmission and distribution of power in Lesotho. LEGO is only licensed to generate. It generates, then sells power to LEC. LEC transmits and distributes to the whole country. Then that means the customers, either commercial or domestic, they will get power from LEC. That's how the arrangement is. So we generate through solar. That means we are only available during the day. During the night, there is no power coming from the generation facility. But with phase 2 is supposed to have storage. The storage will help us a bit to overcome the peak periods, either mornings or in the evenings. So that's how storage will help us. But basically, we operate during the day.